And remember, and my father go call the man King Kong, Be careful what you are doing. Because all my father just do with this is give DeMarco strength. Call the man King Kong, one big blood clot, powerful animal, a beast. Bomba clot! Welcome to Souflotv again, everybody. It is your host with the most. You don't know it is already. Watch this. We have to go right into this. So, DeMarco, King Kong, Movado, this. That one ya shot. Hear me I say. Me say bomba clot when the video start because me say Movado big. So big up to Movado, right? But he must get some help for that one here. Him can't manage King Kong and unruly by himself. Hear me I say. But it's a bad man if you run with sometime and go look help. You hear me I say because when them swarm down upon you like bees in a doggy. And remember say, unruly just doing wicked with dirty dread, and he no answer back yet. And then it's like a wounded dog right now. And then a man come and kick up the wounded dog. My father get beat up, backs up, left, right, and center. Me know, me understand, so enough of them my father loyal fans them where I say gully this and gully that and the man bad. Yeah, bad man. Me there with the man there as far as the music go from singing Black's days. Before he was today is the rugged side of dancehall. When we say the rugged side of dancehall, we are talking about dancehall clashing. We are talking about when time lyrics get dirty. We are talking about when the thing gets so serious that it seems like say real in a real life. But Souflotv done said this already. Pause for a minute, so we're gonna say it again. We are not endorsing any taking of any lives in a real life. That means no nozzle enough, no gun enough, you fling out no gunshot in a real life. Over this right here is a lyrical war, and we want it to stay lyrical because when time it's lyrical, it's nice. Just like right now, the thing nice, no blouse and skirt. What we is break down the lyrics to the song, word for friggin' word. Right here, I come with my paper. But I know what I do already Souflotv when I come with my paper. Today we have DeMarco, King Kong, and this is a Movado this with no friggin' doubt. The last video we said this. If a boy have a war, see, me don't care if the lyrics them in the song good. We need to know who you are talking to. Because you can fling out anything. It's like Bob Marley said, throw him can, he no call no foul. Alright? So that means that any fucking foul come and pick up the can, other foul them. When is war you deal with, you need to call out a man directly. Boy, I don't know. We have also said, DeMarco is not one of them artists that you want to play with. Because of a certain caliber of artist that DeMarco is. I know that DeMarco have enough haters out there, but who on the top level don't have enough haters out there? Like them say, if you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping, so I guess a nigga popping for real. Big up DeMarco, big up True Gift Entertainment, and the whole of them have going over there, so. Hey, watch this. DeMarco I'm saying shelly like rice and peas. We're going to go right now, right into the lyrics of DeMarco. Like King Kong, you call the man King Kong, you gave the man power dog. That's what I'm trying to say, some man that even know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Before we even start going into the lyrics of DeMarco's King Kong, Movado this. Me I get text right now from England. Man I tell me say, yo, Movado done. Him done. My advice to Movado right now is go find some of the people that used to write for you or help you with your things when you did first come out with back in the idea. When they just said young stuff alive. Go find some of them people there. Alright? Or go back on whatever you were on at the time if you didn't write yourself them time the car. Right now, you're gonna need some help, dog. You're gonna need some help. I say it already. Unruly deal with the man. Wicked and weird. And before Movado even get a chance to blood clot answer, because I'm going to address bomba clot DeMarco in the song. And see it now. DeMarco go answer back and the answer in a way where me feel say is like a box up, kick up, slap down. Anyway, here we go right into the blood cleat song. See it. So the song starts out like this, right? Him said, Baba call me King Kong. Yo, them never watch the movie. It's gonna take a bomber clock nation for move me. I saw the man stop. You never watch King Kong the movie yet. I see how big blood clot King Kong I slap down the fucking building them, the high rise and all them thing there. So how you gonna give a man that much power if you're trying to diss him by calling him a powerful being, a powerful beast like King Kong? DeMarco start out the thing by saying, Baba called me King Kong. Yo, them never watched the movie. It's gonna take a bomber clot nation to move me. See verse 1 here? I would have fucked the barber, address him right away. Cause Adija Palmer first call him barber. Alright? So everybody know when they say barber who we are talking. I would have fucked the barber. Them never rate him. The man said them never even rate him over cassava. Man I go hide by your corner. Why? Drive by your corner. Why? Pussy. Anything or anything. Barber. Call him out again. Anything or anything. Mark 90 I get the wedding ring. Them boy they are fish. Them are red herring. Anything or anything. Where the rapper groupie. I where do him. The boy sell out killer make we level him. Try not meet them boy they not genuine. Hear this. Kill him fast. Dash him in you get a grave dig. And put in one little Mavado insert in case after calling all this name calling, you still not get it yet. You hear Mavado chip in and he said, me and my brother Steven we used to, and he chip it back out and said, fucking Baba him is a gay kid. Your Batman brother ragga that you beard with. Pussy. I went to Baba. I went to David. Bomber Clad, yo, I went to Barber. Who is Barber? I went to David. David Constantine Brooks, him call out the man government name. So there is no guessing. This is what we were saying before earlier on Souflotv. If you come a war, right? We need to know exactly who you are talking about. I don't need to listen to the song and then the walk up on the song and me I say, the lyrics them bad, but who the fuck did I talk to because I don't understand what he did I say. The man said, I went to Barber, I went to David. Right away we know say I'm a bother that again if you miss the whole first half of the verse there. Head a spinning at the gravel like man I play a gig. When I can't ball peace when me and a wave kid, pick up the phone them call Frost. Tell him say your DJ a talk trash. The big chopping and big bomber clad ugly face and a war wound that a car crash. There was a time when my father if you never know went around saying that yo, a war wound this you know me I say him chop up man and slice up man and them slice him back and stab up and gunshot fling and them thing that Vice Cartel was the first one that came out in a for them Gully Gaza war and said the blood clot thing went up on him face was a friggin' car crash. Then he say a police mash up him face down a country, and he say a car crash, an accident, and another bad man thing him in. So, DeMarco come in and DeMarco say, pick up the phone, I'm a call Frost. Tell him say your DJ, I talk trash. The big chopping and big bomber clad ugly face and a war wound that a car crash. King Kong step past them, pick up the carcass. When we are dash for boy body, far dash. You and your body boy brother Steven have body blood in your jeans called the barber Jordash. And remember the jeans them when name Jordash, I don't know if a lot of you know them jeans there, but there's some tight up jeans with big pocket and them thing them look more like gal jeans. But anyway, moving right along. Pussy. Anything or anything, and go back in that chorus. Anything or anything. The chorus itself, wicked people. Don't even say anything or anything, anything or anything. Mark 90 rifle, I get the wedding ring. Them boy, they are fish, them are red herring. Anything or anything, where the rapper group here, where do him? The boy sell out, kill him, make we level him. Try not meet them boy, they're not genuine. Anything or anything, him go back and say no. Pussy, y'all got dead before the end of August. But big league, you're lighter than sawdust. So, see how many big league? We don't know again. My father said big league. league. And I'm tell him about big league. Move with the bumper clock, big league. You're lighter than sawdust. Do song with every rapper and the pussy can't bust. Slap out your face with the tar rust where can't rust. Bumper clock, graveyard, funeral bell. Chop off them head and fling it in a one well. Yo, someone come on and talk about, my water song, lyrical, when him talk about cut him throat and leave him eyes up. Alright, well, the most fucking thing say, the man say, graveyard, funeral bell, chop off him head and fling it in a one well. Alright, when him say, him do song with every rapper and the pussy can't bust. Slap out him face with the tar rust where can't rust. Graveyard, funeral bell, chop off them head and fling it in a one well. Pussy a rejoice, a teacher in a one cell. You don't know who teacher is, that is Vibes Cartel. And them a say, my brother, one of them where I rejoice. Say, blood clot teacher in a one cell, prison cell. Man a yai shutter, every ras thing I can't tell. Bleach pan them like they wrap up in a one gel. Catch them? Yo, catch them again and slip up and fell. Bust me magnum, make the figure cancel. Cancel, that is for those who are slow. Decompose body big up and smell. Egg dirty dread, pussy, anything or anything. People, me not lie. I say it in the beginning of the video, I'm going to say it at the end of the video. My father is going to need some serious help. Either my father going to need some serious help or my father going to need to go back to what him know from the beginning of when him come out chopping. Him not really chopping again like that for war lyrics, because honestly me say it already. I see some people come on the channel and them say, yo, Souflotv, be for real. Just go ahead and say that you're a friggin' you're an unruly fan or you're a popcorn fan. Nah, dog. Man, none of the man them fan. What I'm trying to tell you, that's why I take the time. And see, people like that, I have no time and no conversation for them, because if I can take the time to actually write out, no, do that. And all those other sites that you're going on, they're not doing that either. Them now take the time to sit down, write out the friggin' song, word for word. And then come on here and compare the two song them feel. Word for word. And then you go away and say, me a fan up. I'm a fan up. So I went through all that effort writing out somebody's song word for word when me don't like. Because what? Me a fan of somebody else? You know, make no sense. My boy, I'm gonna need some help. The war is on. Remember, Souflotv didn't tell you that first. Remember, when everybody else says, it's no war, it's a fictitious beef and it's made up and all that. See, now, everything get hype. It's Souflotv, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Everyone want to do. Leave it down there in the comment section. Oh, blood clot, DeMarco, look, another one here. Burn up. Oh, burn up, look, another one here. Souflotv said, burn up your one.